Before there was a service call, there was Dad. Before uptime was a metric, dads were already keeping the whole system running. The original field service. Procurement. The right batteries, the right screws, the one tool nobody understood until they needed it. Deployment. Christmas Eve assembly. Ready before the kids woke up. Cabling. Mounted the TV. Hid every wire. Created a network only he understands. Maintenance. Duct tape. Router resets. Chair fixes. Problem solved before it became a family meeting. Disposition. Repair. Keep. Donate. Toss. Or the classic, it's got a few good years left. And that same DAD/OS powers IW every day. Catching the issue before it becomes a ticket. Bringing the right part before the job starts. Showing up with the toolbox, every site, every time. To every dad, and especially ours, for keeping everything moving, Happy Father's Day. You are the original field service.